Hey everyone, here's a recap of the Midjourney Office Hours from March 1st. They are fully focused on version 5. They're in the process of tuning it while still having some major decisions to make. Are they going to include an upscaler or just a high resolution by default? He said wider aspect ratios might make it in. They're also debating an update on the language processing model. He said that there are some versions of V5 that do compositions better, an example being a husky wearing a race car jacket, although he is not sure if that is going to make it into the version 5 release. They're also uncertain about the default style. They want V5 to look better but also be less opinionated. They want it more vanilla for artists so you can control it more, but they also want it to look good. That sounds like a tough problem to solve, and it sounds like it is a tough problem to solve for them right now. They're going to need to tune version 5 with a rating event, but before that they need to internally decide on some things, and once they agree on those settings, they can ask the community for help. The rating system for version 5 is also different than the one for version 4, so they hope they will be able to update the default aesthetic more often. David said that image quality is working well, but some styles aren't working great. Every day they are trying to tune it to the best they can, getting closer and closer to release, but not quite there yet. He said that moderators and guides are playing with version 5, and I'm jealous, they're so lucky. He actually did show some pictures of version 5, and I think they look good, but I don't know how much you can tell a difference unless you directly compared the prompts through different versions. He said that small details like fingers, eyes, lips, and teeth should be better. Swords should also be better, but shooting a bow and arrow isn't quite great yet. He also noted that tiling should be ready for version 5, and a version 5 of Midjourney will be on its way as well. There's a quick recap of the Midjourney Office Hours. I hope you're all doing well. Take care. I'll see you next time.